go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Okay, tomorrow it'll be a week since I painted the car. I just been having it sitting out here under the sun, curing up. You can see a little everything done fell on it. Bird droppings. But we're gonna store it on, I'm gonna clean it up, spray it off. Then I'm gonna take it inside and we're gonna spray the fender wells because it got overspray on them. And the fender wells there, also the frame. So we're gonna have to mask up the whole entire car and do that. Make sure we don't get no overspray on the rest of the car. Even though I got to sand it back down to do the cutting buff, I'll be doing that after I do the spraying. After I get through spraying the frame and the fender wells. But I'm about to pull it up here, clean it on up, then I'll take it inside and we'll get started. So I can see that pearl there. Okay, I got the car in the shop. Now I take my jack it up, put it on jack stands, remove the wheels so I'll be able to get to the fenders and the frame pretty easy. I got all the wheels off. Now I take my rag and wipe everything down. Still got some cobwebs. A little dirt here now. Wipe it down good. This the front. See the overspray there? Now I get ready to mask everything off, so I won't get no overspray on the car itself. I'll probably pull this back and just stuff some paper behind it. Then I'll put some plastic over the entire car once I get all this like I want it. I finished up with all the masking. As you can see, I got plastic sheeting over the entire car. And I got it masked off with masking tape around here. Now I'll be able to spray the frame and the fender wells. This the front here. I just took some old sheets to put over the control arms and the rotors and brakes. Let me show you the paint I'll be using. It's some single stage Omni by PPG MTK9300. Now you need to get you something to scuff it up with. I'm using a maroon Scotch Sprite. It's the 07447. You want to do this so the paint will have something to bond to. Because if you don't do it, it'll just be sitting on top of unscuffed surface and it's not going to stick well. Okay, it's been about 3 hours since I sprayed it. This is what it looked like. I take the masking off and show you what it looked like up against the pearl. Take it right to the other side. See if I can get down here. Frame. Alright, I just unmasked everything. You know, a lot of y'all might be wondering why I didn't paint the drums, because he gonna get a new rear end, have disc brakes on the back, so wasn't no need. But this is what it looked like up against the pearl. Let's go to the other side. I'm pretty sure he gonna touch up some more once he take the rear end out. Get the bottom as well. Take it to the front. See, I already got the front suspension squared away. Yeah, stay tuned for the, I still got a cut and buff. Also got to put the glass in. I'll probably do that next. Put the glass in, all the glass in, then I'll cut and buff.
Stop. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We right never stop. Right